There's a moment, your stomach drops when you realise you've given a piece of your heart to someone. Love is scary in the beginning. But then there's another moment, you realise that you've found your person and you understand that that piece of your heart is going to be safe with them. Then there's this moment, right here. It'll change everything. Because love isn't scary anymore.
But how did we get to this point? We were first introduced by Ross's sister-in-law, Nicole. Meg was out with the girls from work, and Nicole announced that Ian's brother was back in the country after working away for a few years. He would be perfect for Meg. Nicole sends a pic of the group to Ross, forgetting to circle which one Meg actually was. To which Ross promptly advised that she was triple parked, something that's never changed. Numbers were exchanged, and they went on a semi-blind date. Ross picked Meg up and took her for a walk to Rutten Lynn Waterfall. They both enjoyed the first date, but decided just to be friends. Little did they know how things would turn out. Well, their friendship blossomed over the next year or so. Enjoying walks with Ross's dogs Bella and Puddle, the occasional gin night, and even a little winter sun getaway to Lisbon. Then, the small matter of a worldwide pandemic intervened, and Meg and Ross decided to bubble together. Meg officially moved into Ross's house. Ross's perseverance had truly paid off. During a holiday in Portugal, Ross, on the third attempt, got down on one knee. And that brings us up to date in this beautiful ceremony today.
Traditionally, the father of the bride is supposed to stand up and tell everyone how wonderful, intelligent and beautiful his daughter is. But I don't need to do that, because all of you already know, as I do, how wonderful, beautiful and intelligent she is. So, I noticed you used an oath stone when you were saying your vows to each other. That reminded me of this oyster shell that Jackie had found on one of her beach walks. People say that marriage is a marathon, not a sprint. And this shell, like a marriage, has had its fair share of storms to weather. You can tell that because some of the rough edges on the outside have been worn smooth with the passage of time. But it's on the inside, where it counts, that it's still as beautiful and shiny as the day it was opened.
Ross, I want to say it's been quite the journey growing older with you as a mate and seeing each other navigate through life. No matter where either of us are in the world, we always keep in touch, and Ross is that one mate who'll never let you down. We're often each other's protocol to go to for advice over the years. Be it work-related, family life, or girl advice, we always seek out each other's opinions. Which is why on a trip to Wales a few years back, he divulged that he was messaging a blonde beauty named Meg who hailed from Trinidad. Well, today it's went from fiancés to husband and wife, and I've never seen you look so happy.
To Meg, where do I start? I did save her number straight away after our first date as Meg FW for future wife, because I knew do look absolutely beautiful today. You did take my breath away when I saw you at the bottom of the aisle. I love how hard-working, brave and dedicated you are. I love how thoughtful and caring you are, and you always think of the little things like wearing Mum's earrings today. I truly feel like the luckiest guy in the world marrying my best friend today and being able to call you my wife. I can't wait for what our future brings. All I know is the best adventure is yet to come.